The American military is facing a dilemma regarding the Russian S-70 drone, which is bombastically announced by the Russians as a new miracle weapon. On the one hand, the war in Ukraine showed that Russian propaganda created a totally false image of the Russian army and their weapons, which was also acknowledged by American intelligence agencies that overestimated Russian capabilities. But still, it would be frivolous if the new Russian product, such as the rather large S-70 drone, is not taken seriously and not analyzed in detail. Vladimir Putin is likely becoming impatient as one of his marquee military hardware programs is suffering growing pains. The S-70 Okhotnik, Hunter, stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, will not enter serial production until 2023, keeping it from flying over the Ukrainian battlefields until the following year if the war rages that long. In June, the unmanned craft completed a milestone that seemed to point toward an on-time delivery when it conducted a successful air-to-ground missile test. Manufacturer Rostec gave the latest news to Putin last month. Rostec CEO Sergei Chemezov said about the Okhotnik, "The first flying prototype was rolled out in 2021, and we will begin serial producing and delivering it to the Russian Defense Ministry in 2023. This means the aircraft will not go to the Air Force until 2024 at the earliest." The Okhotnik is expected to fly as the semi-autonomous loyal wingman with the Su-57 stealth fighter. The S-70 will conduct deep strike and recon missions in a configuration that will allow the Russian Air Force to have a force multiplier with radar-evading aerial combat teams. Up to 4 Okhotniks could fly with the Su-57. The drone's flying wing design with internal weapons bays should add to its radar-evading capability. In 2019, the Okhotnik took its maiden test flight for 20 minutes at around 2,000 feet altitude. This mission was supposed to be held earlier that year, but it suffered a delay. Early photos of the Okhotnik revealed an outward engine exhaust and exposed fasteners and seams that will lower the level of overall stealthiness. However, in 2021 the Okhotnik was photographed with a flat jet nozzle that would increase the amount of radar evasion. The Okhotnik is a large aircraft weighing 20 tons at 46 feet in length. Its wingspan is 62 feet. These dimensions make it minimally smaller than the Su-57. The drone may also have the same engine as the Su-57. The unmanned craft is believed to be outfitted with the AL-41F turbofan powerplant. This would give it a range of 2,500 miles and a maximum speed of 621 miles per hour. The weapon's payload could be up to 4,400 pounds. The unmanned vehicle may have elements of artificial intelligence, in which the machine could learn from aspects of its flight. From our point of view, artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to make decisions in a rapidly changing environment without operator intervention, said Nikolai Dlzenkov, chief designer of Kronstadt JSC, one of the suppliers for the Okhotnik. The second absolutely necessary trait is the ability to self-learn using one's own machine experience. That is, the program should be one that allows you to constantly improve your skills and abilities, namely software ones. The S-70 Okhotnik is an ambitious program, and the 2024 delivery goal sounds optimistic with the necessity of integrating autonomous flight and machine learning with the drone. If the drone can indeed fly with the Su-57 as a loyal wingman, it will extend the long-range strike capability of the Su-57. The drone could also send recon and targeting data back to the manned airplane for more accurate standoff missile strikes. The level of radar evasion capability will be paramount in the loyal wingman concept, so improvements with the addition of the flat jet nozzle is an important innovation for the drone. With artificial intelligence added into the mix, there could be more delays as the Russian defense industry is not known for coming on time and under budget for its aircraft development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.